Here are the 5 hidden gems that actually work. Number 5. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. $19. This is the heavy tub, not the pump lotion. If your skin is chronically dry, ashy, and completely depleted, this is your baseline. Your skin barrier is composed of roughly 50% ceramides. When you take a hot shower or use harsh soap, you strip those ceramides away, leaving microscopic cracks in your skin where moisture escapes. CeraVe contains 3 essential, bioidentical ceramides that slot perfectly into those cracks like mortar between bricks. But the real genius of this $19 tub is the MVE delivery technology. Instead of dumping all the moisture onto your skin at once, MVE technology encapsulates the ceramides and hyaluronic acid in microscopic spheres that slowly dissolve over 24 hours. You apply it once, and it continually releases hydration into your skin all day long. It is brilliant. Fragrance-free, dermatologist-engineered chemistry. Number 4. La Roche-Posay Lipikar. AP+M Triple Repair Body Moisturizer. $20. This is the holy grail for people who suffer from severe winter dryness, eczema, and extreme skin sensitivity. The French pharmacy brand focused on something that luxury brands completely ignore: the skin microbiome. Your skin is covered in billions of invisible, beneficial bacteria that keep it healthy and hydrated. When that microbiome is unbalanced, your skin becomes red, itchy, and dry. This formula contains a patented postbiotic extract grown in thermal spring water that actively feeds and balances your microbiome. It is also packed with a massive dose of niacinamide, which is vitamin B3. Niacinamide dramatically soothes inflammation and tells your body to naturally produce more of its own ceramides. It is an incredibly thick, deeply repairing cream that completely outperforms the $300 La Mer tub. Number 3. Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion. $11. If you have that stubborn, scaly alligator skin on your shins that never seems to go away no matter how much lotion you apply, you need this bottle. The secret weapon in this $11 formula is urea. Urea is an absolute miracle ingredient in cosmetic chemistry. It is both a powerful humectant, meaning it pulls water into the skin, and a mild keratolytic, meaning it gently dissolves the glue holding dead, scaly skin cells together. Luxury creams try to moisturize over the top of dead skin, which is why you feel dry an hour later. Eucerin uses urea to physically melt the dead scales away while simultaneously injecting hydration into the fresh, living skin underneath. It completely changes the texture of your body in less than a week. Number 2. Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. $10. If you've been out in the sun or your skin is reactive, stinging, and tight, this is the safest, most effective option on the market. It relies on a single, incredibly powerful ingredient: colloidal oatmeal. This is not just a marketing term. Colloidal oatmeal is officially categorized by the United States Food and Drug Administration as a legally recognized skin protectant. It is packed with beta-glucans, which are heavy-duty water-binding molecules, and avenanthramides, which are highly potent, naturally occurring antioxidants that immediately kill the chemical signals in your body that cause itching and redness. For $10, you're getting an FDA-recognized clinical treatment that instantly soothes the skin barrier without a single drop of irritating synthetic fragrance. And number 1, the ultimate transformative hidden gem: AmLactin Daily Nourish 12% Lactic Acid Lotion. $14. If you have keratosis pilaris, which are those tiny, rough red bumps on the back of your arms and your thighs, commonly called strawberry legs, no amount of luxury shea butter will ever fix it. Those bumps are caused by a buildup of keratin protein, plugging your hair follicles. You cannot moisturize a keratin plug away. You have to chemically dissolve it. AmLactin contains a massive 12% concentration of lactic acid. Lactic acid is an alpha-hydroxy acid that chemically eats away the keratin plugs, resurfaces the entire top layer of your skin, and stimulates cellular turnover. Because lactic acid is also a humectant, it draws moisture deep into the freshly exfoliated skin. Within 2 weeks of using this $14 lotion, your skin will be as smooth as glass. It is a level of total body resurfacing that the luxury brands cannot even begin to compete with. The luxury body care industry is built on a very simple, very expensive illusion: They want you to believe that an intoxicating fragrance in a beautiful glass jar will somehow translate to better hydration. They do not. Scent is not skincare. True cosmetic elegance lives in the active chemistry, in the ceramides, the urea, and the lactic acid. You do not have to spend $300 to have smooth, glass-like skin, and you never should. Protect your wallet, read your labels, and stop paying for the logo.